back to my YouTube channel. My name is Roxanne, the Tiny Taster, and today's recipe is Parsi style Bhakras. I get a ton of messages and requests for more Parsi recipes, so I hope you enjoy this one. Bhakra, or many of them Bhakras, are a tea time snack. They're favorite, they're crunchy, they're just really delicious and not that difficult to make. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. As always, don't forget to check the link in the description box. It will have the written recipe, so all the ingredients, the measurements, all those details. I hope you enjoy this. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with all your friends, and leave me a comment if you like this recipe or if you want any other specific Parsi recipe or any recipes for that matter. So without any further ado, let's get cooking.
In a large mixing bowl, add your whole wheat flour or atta, your semolina and sugar, along with some baking powder, salt, cardamom powder and nutmeg. Mix it all together and then make a small well in the center. Add your beaten eggs along with vanilla essence and some ghee, as well as your cup of yogurt or dahi. Now this is the fun part. You just mix and knead it all together with your hands. It does get super sticky, so if you feel the need to, please add more flour or atta so it's easier to knead and it doesn't stick together. Please be patient. I promise this comes together. Press it down slightly. It should feel like a dough once it's all kneaded well, and then cover it and let it rest for about 2 hours. After it's rested, you take a small amount of this dough and roll it into a ball. Sprinkle some flour so that it doesn't stick to your surface, and then roll it out like you would a chapati. If it sticks, just please add more flour. It's not a problem. Once it's rolled out to about an inch thick, use a cookie cutter, or if you don't have one, then a small glass to cut out the shape of circles. Just repeat this process with the dough, and once you have all your cutouts, you will start to heat your wok or kadai with oil. Once your oil is nice and hot, you will start to place these little cutout discs of dough into this oil, and slowly you will see them start to puff up nicely. Place them in one at a time if possible. Try not to overcrowd your pan because then it tends not to puff up and cook easily. But once you start seeing it puff up slightly, gently flip it on the other side and then keep flipping them over. Make sure they don't burn, but you keep cooking them till they turn a nice golden, slightly darker brown. This doesn't take very long to cook, about 2 or 3 minutes on each side till it starts to puff up. As of course you keep doing batches and the oil gets hotter and hotter, it will take less time. So keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't burn. And this is really it. Once it's puffed up, it's nice and fluffy and it's light brown, and you have the perfect bhakras. They are completely ready. This is a great tea time snack. You just serve it hot and enjoy. You can eat these fresh, or of course you can store it in an airtight container. Almost every Parsi house has some bhakras on hand. We love it. It's a crowd pleaser and a personal favorite of mine. I hope you enjoy this recipe. As always, please don't forget to share it with all your friends if you do. Like this video, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, if you enjoy bhakras or if there are any other recipes you'd like to see. And of course, subscribe to the channel as always. And I will see you guys very, very soon.